Hello, welcome back to watch my video. This time I will introduce another song. The name of this song is A Pair of the Flying Swallows. This song is Chaozhou folk song. This kind of song, the fa and the ti is maybe some different. The fa is also the pitch, exactly the fa. Exactly the fa. But the T is the flat T, about flat T. This is the exact T. But in this song, the T, you must press, not press harder. Flat T, not exactly the T. This is exactly the T. But this T like that, like this pitch. And this song, the difficult part is the rest. The rest is the zero. Zero is the rest. Is the rest. So when you to plug the rest, must stop the before notes, the sound of the before note. For example, you must stop the previous note. Okay, I will from the beginning of this song. This song I will use about 60 ppm, but this song you can use 80 ppm. But I will practice to play slowly from the beginning. On the first bar is the 16th note. The four notes is 16th. Re, mi, do, mi. When you press the do, and then press the T already to prepare the T. When you to get the La, the before is the T. T, don't move the left hand, and then until you press the La, this action at the same time, two hands. Okay, that's the first zero. La, stop, la, do, so, stop. I will try again. T, I will from the T, stop, la, do, so, stop, mi. Okay, I will try to use the beat. I will use slower, about 50, 52. I will find the T. Okay, and then continue. T, la, do. Stop, re, stop, mi, so. Okay, there is 3 0 from the beginning of each bar. Stop, re, and re. When you pardon me, stop, mi, so. I'll use the metronome. I will from la, do. added the symbol of the V on an octave La, the second one. The first one is La plus the string very quickly, like the apportamento, but very quickly. I will from the la mi so. Okay, and then continue to the next line. Okay, there is a fa. Before the fa, there is a rest, and then I will from the mi so stop, re stop, so stop. When your right hand to stop, and then your left hand to press the mi string to get the fa. Stop, re, stop, so, stop, fa, mi, re, do, and. Re, stop, so, stop, re, mi, re, do, and. Stop. The last so use the continuous thumb, but don't touch the mi string. Goes up, lift the string, your thumb. When you press the sole, when you finish this string goes up. Don't touch to the mi string, because you will use the index to press the mi. From the last don't slower. The tempo is from the beginning to the end is at the same. Now I will use the metronome. About the pitch is use 60. I will from the beginning to perform this song. Okay, finish this song. Hope my explanation can help you. Bye, see you next time.